for Christmas is to not get flagged. That song does not belong to me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels here, and we have a video. Yes, welcome. Okay, so I got some stuff for Christmas, and I am very happy. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, number one. Okay, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy New Year, because that's coming up soon here. And I'm just going to show you guys what I got for Christmas. I'm happy to receive gifts at all. So that's always a blessing. And of course, I bought myself a couple things because you need to gift yourself. Tell yourself Merry Christmas. Be like, hey, I love you. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday. Always get yourself something. Give to others and get yourself something too. Let's get into it. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And if you're wondering what you're going to see on this here channel, let me tell you, you're going to see fashion, luxury, travel, lifestyle, and all around joy. Why? Because joy is life and life is living, and that is what we plan to do. Okay? Let's get into the gifts. Okay, so I have they're over here. So I have some big things, small things, luxury things, and then everyday things. I'm going to start with this thing. So I get these AirPods. Now, there we go. Technically, I got these right before Christmas, right before, because my AirPods, one of the little things came out, little AirPod doodads, it's just gone. It's just gone, into the wind, into the unknown. I don't know where it went. So I'm getting used to this one because it has the little squishy parts, and I'm not normally into that. But these things have noise canceling, surround sound. It's very, that's the paper, very bougie. And for that alone, I want to keep it, though it's taking a lot of getting used to because I can't hear anything else, which is a little dangerous, especially because I use these to talk on the phone and stuff like that. I have my Beats, headphones, and those are great for the gym and the plane. And I guess these would be great for the plane too. It's just a little strange. I'm still getting used to it. But this was the first pre-birthday gift, not birthday, Christmas gift, let's say. Next up, I got some cute socks. This is from our, hold on. It's from our manager at the show. This one's my favorite. She was like, that's so you. And I'm like, oh my God, it is. Because I'm cute and brown and delicious, but I'll kill you. Yeah, right? Okay. And then I got these, which I thought are also adorable because I love the little reindeer. So that's that. I'm going to try to go quick. Okay. Oh, from one of the cast members, we all got candles in this one. Boom. And what does this one smell like again? Oh, Sunday flowers. Now, she said she was reusing these containers from some special flowers. Now I can't open it. Oh, there we go. It smells good. It smells good. I love me candles. I have 50 million candles. So I'm going to have to get around to this one because your girl loves candles. So I literally just stacked them up. I was like, wow, I got a lot of candles. So yeah, cute little candle. Next up, somebody else from work got me these cute little makeup sponges. Let me feel one of these bad boys. They're soft. Okay, they're a little dense. They're soft. They're cute. But I also got these ones, which are from Amazon. I know because I also got these last year as gifts, and these are amazing. They stay super soft on them. They are so soft. I love these things. I'm gonna throw away some of my other beauty blenders because I don't feel like washing them. These are so great. I hope I keep getting these every single year because they're just so perfect for the makeup. Sticking with the makeup, Santa also put in my stocking some sugar treatments from Fresh. Can you see that? So this one is honey and this one is a cocoa. Is she honey and cocoa? And they're a little lip treatment with a slight tint. Very slight tint. Here, let me open up the cocoa one so you can see it. Boop. Twist her. And bam, can you see her? Of course not. Now can you see her? Of course. Yes. Love that. And it's funny because I did just do like the lip lab thing for my birthday, but I feel like, number one, you're paying for an experience and also a custom color. But I got a balm and I absolutely love it, but it's almost already out. That's crazy. My birthday literally just passed. So I'm so glad I have these because fantastic. And then I also got a lip liner. Now I'm excited because it's Chestnut by MAC. All the brown girls. Okay, and mine is like down to a nub this big. So this is actually what I'm wearing now. Can you see? My liner is Chestnut. And then my lipstick is actually the custom color that I made. But here she is. I love her. It's like just the perfect liner to like blend with, you know, your nudes and reds even. It's just perfect. This is probably going to be a nub by next year this time. Let's move on. Next thing that I got are these ASMR. Or is that just annoying? So these are the little wrist thingies that you put on while you are washing your face, so the waters don't stream down all the way to your armpits. See, it's like, oh, I'm washing my face. And my friend Julie actually got me a pair of these too. So I also have another pair of pink ones. So now I have like 10 of these, and I'm excited. Well, 5 pairs, 10 individual ones. I'm super excited because these are life-changing. Okay, when you're washing your face, you put on your little headband, and you put on this, life-changing. It's so good. All right, let's keep moving. I got also my favorite scrub. It's Ocean Salt from Lush. This is a big boy, 10.2 ounces. Will last me the entire year. Maybe like year and a half. We'll see. But I shouldn't even open it. But oh, ready? Oh my God, look at that. You see that color? Wait, focus. There she is. Yes. Oh, smells like a margarita on the beach, like the salt. I think it's a salt, like that small salt, ocean water, margarita, sun, sand. That's what this is. I highly recommend. All right, this one's kind of funny because I put this on my wish list before I got my new headphones or earphones, earpods, whatever. And it's, oh, look at this. It's this cute little case for them, shaped like a suitcase. Is it cute? It even has a little handle because, you know, your girl be traveling. So, like, how is this not the cutest thing ever? I did find the version online for the current pair that I have. So this will go back and I will have the new one within a couple days. But here's the kicker though. It comes with stickers, like luggage stickers. Tell me that's not like super cute. Tell me it's not super cute. Like, how adorable is it that it comes with baggage tag stickers? Like, it should come with a little passport too. This is the cutest thing ever. So adorable. So yeah, now I can end. Hilarious. Not hilarious. Not like funny, but not funny. I literally just dropped my AirPods on the floor, and they came out and went every which way. So I'm like, I really do need a case because I've not even had them for a month, I don't think, and they have dropped. So always use protection. I just be saying stuff. Let's keep going. Okay, 2 things that they tell people not to do this, like for Christmas, birthdays, or whatever, but I love these. Anyone who knows me knows I love these things, and it's gift cards. Yeah, there's one in here and one in here. Look at this cute card, by the way. Is this the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my gosh. Love that. There's a gift card in this one, a gift card in this one, and they're both to Nordy's, and I love me some Nordy's, and I love a gift card. Because I'm like, oh, there's things that I need to like get on my own. So shout out to the gift card gang. Shout out to the gift card gang. Do you guys like gift cards? I don't know. I'm just wondering if you like gift cards. Let me know. Okay, I also got my first board game as a gift. This is so funny. Because we were playing Life like digitally, and I was like, I don't think I've ever played Life before. So boom, it is the official Life, but it's with the Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. Isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable? It's like a very like, it's a classy version. So when I do this, I'm gonna be very classy. Okay, let's get down to what's kind of funny. I have two of this next thing. I took them out because I decided I'm keeping both. And I wasn't going to because I was only supposed to get one. And there was like a whole thing. Yeah, I don't care about that. But there was like a whole thing. One came, it was not supposed to come for a while, but then it came early, and then another one was already bought. I already got the story, so I'm giving you the Spark Notes version. But it is... Yes! Yes! I think I got an address on it. Hold on. Let me not make sure there's no addresses on these things. Let me show, actually, let me just show you the back. Okay? Isn't that, you can't even tell, but they're cute. So this one is like more like cute Barbie pink, and I actually got the one on the other side. Lord, struggle buzz. Okay, this is it. This is it right there. So cute. I'm super excited. I just want to buy records. I really want to get an MJ record. I want to get the Beyonce Renaissance record. I want to get, I don't know, what all the records. I just want everything I could get. I want to get all of the records. This next thing is heavy, but I need it because mine has fallen apart. I've had it for 8 years, but it is some luggage. Isn't she cute? It's like pink with the polka dots. It's very like Victoria's Secret pink. When I saw it, I was like, oh my God, it's like Victoria's Secret. It's so cute. I love the bright pink. I love the polka dots because I know I'm gonna be able to spot this. My luggage is red, and now people are starting to get red luggage. And I'm like, every now and then I'm like, gotta do a double take. Most of the times not, but this, there is no double take. I see it, okay? I see it coming. So I love this. It's heavy because there's a small one in here, and then like a duffel that also has wheels is in here. So it's a 3-piece set. Now, if you're here for the luxury, this is now your time. If you're not, stick around anyways, I'm almost done. Okay, so, and this is what I got myself. These two things are what I got myself. So this is Saint Laurent. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. I'm so slow. I also got an air fryer. I'm gonna put a photo because it's heavy and it's big, and I'm just not doing that. So I'm gonna put a photo somewhere. I will put a photo so you can see. It is white. It has like a little touch screen, has a little bit of gold or brass or whatever that color is. So yeah, love that, love that, love that. I'm ready to use it, okay? She's gonna be cooking up some stuff in the new year. Beep, pop it in, beep, pop it. Like, I'm excited. Like, I finally joined the train, you know, the fad, which I didn't think was a fad. And then I started being like, oh, I could do this in the air fryer. I could do that in the air fryer. I could do this. Oh, this would be easier. So I'm going to try it out. Obviously, I still use, you know, regular stoves and things like that, but this might make it a little bit easier. So I also got this super cool air fryer. Fryer. Okay, back to what this is. Okay, so we got Saint Laurent. It's shoes. I got myself shoes for Christmas. Look at these. Aren't these awesome? I love them so much. They're so cute. I just don't even know what it was about them. These might be the men's version too, because they had women's, but they were sold out. So I was like, oh, give me the men's version. I don't care about shopping in the men's department. They the same dang on shoe. I think this is, their shoes work different though. This is a size 40, which technically is that would be a 9 if it was a women's shoe, but that's like huge. That's supposed to be like a 7 in men's, but I don't know. The shoes, Saint Laurent shoes, apparently their men's shoes are numbered differently. So if you're an 8.5 women or 9 in women, then you are a 40 for the Saint Laurent male shoe. Oh, it has that cute little Saint Laurent on the back. Oh, can you see it? Yeah. I just thought they were so cute. I just tried them on and I felt like I was that girl. I was like, I'm that girl. I like the blue. It looks like a deep dark denim, but I also like this yellow. Like this, it comes with white laces also in here. But I like the yellow. It was just a nice little pop, and it would go nice with that purse. It is the same yellow. So I thought that was super cute. The other shoes in here, I'll put them back in, and then I'll put them on the wall. The wall. I'm turning into a sneakerhead. I just cannot wear heels all the time anymore. Like, I used to wear heels When I was in high school, I used to wear heels almost every single day. Winter, summer, spring, fall, rain, snow, I'm wearing heels, okay? Now I'm like, even if I want to just go to the grocery store, I'm like, actually, I think I'll put on some sneakers. And you're probably thinking, oh, that's just the grocery store. But like, I used to wear heels everywhere. But now I'm like, maybe to the mall, I'm just gonna wear sneakers, you know? Let's go to the last thing. She's big for no reason. And she's kind of falling apart. So I think I'm gonna actually toss her. I usually keep all my boxes and bags and all that stuff. I think I'm gonna actually toss her. This is the size of the bag. Look at her. Let's open her up. Y'all, can I just say really quick, I am so tired. Hope my eyes don't look like too dead, but I really could take a nap right now, but I got a show tonight. No rest for the weary. All right, here we go. Oh, oh. Look at her. Oh my God. I'm sorry. You would think that I did not buy this for myself. Look at her. Look at the strap. She's more of a like shoulder strap, but I tried her on, so she could be crossbody too. And then we have this cute little chain that can dangle. I mean, I guess you could also put the chain in the bag, but I think it's cute. It adds a little like a little zhuzh, a little something something. I love this. I was like, this color is like the pink on pink. Like, it doesn't matter if you wear silver or gold because she's pink on pink. Look at the bottom. I've not had a Marmont bag since 2017. I think I bought my first one in 2016 or 2017. And it was blue. And I think it was this size, maybe smaller, but I think it was this size. And like suede. And then I sold it. And I was like, oh, I kind of liked it. But I'm glad I did because that material, like this right here, well, this one, she is hard work. It's like anything. You rub it wrong, the dust, whatever, it's a lot. Hard to clean. So, you know, I love the blue. It's beautiful. But this pink with the leather. Let's open her up. We got the little card in here. A little stuffing. Look inside her. Look inside her. This is so cute. I just can't even. I cannot even. I actually bought something on a trip, which you guys will see soon, that goes with this. So I'm super excited. And it's funny because like I have pink bags. It's not like I don't. I have 3. Technically 3. But look, this one's completely different. It's a different shade. And it's a different color pink. So this is the Chanel one that's like that like velvety suede, which is the pain of my, like, it's just the bane of my existence, even though I love her. She's my first Chanel. And then this is like the Prada crossbody. And then I have a Versace like bum bag. And I have this cute little Gucci one. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. She's cute. I love her. I can't wait to wear her. I was like, oh, in the summertime, I'm gonna wear her now. Bright colors into winter, like right now. Right now. Right now. I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas. Let me go because y'all are probably tired of me now. I hope you had a fantastic Christmas. I hope you had everything you wanted. And I hope you at least got to be with friends or family or people that loved you, or you're with yourself and you loved yourself. Like, as long as you had a good day. And if not, let's make tomorrow a better day, or today a better day. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's just try again the next day, you know? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you got for Christmas. Like, I really want to know. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Yeah, share with a friend, because why not? I feel like I'm funny sometimes. I'm funny, okay? So share it with a friend, because sharing is caring. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.